welcome back everyone. Today I have something really special. We are taking a drive about 2.5 hours out of Montreal to Kingston, Ontario, and we're there to watch the sheepdog herding competition. There'll be dogs competing from all over the US, all over Canada, including perhaps the UK. But that's not why you're here. We're also going to stop on the way to Grass Creek Park. And as we drive through Ontario's 1,000 islands, we're going to stop and fly the DJI Mini 4 Pro. So stick around. Okay, so here we go. So I had to pull over on the highway here. Kept seeing all these little islands just past the shoreline, and it looked like they were homes built on those islands. It kind of looks like they're living off-grid. Now this particular little island, it looks like it's got some homes on it, or at least one or two buildings, but the ones I passed earlier, they had bigger homes, and they were just on an island that looked like this. You know, I'm glad I had the drone with me on this trip. I thought that the Mini 4 would serve us well. And it looks like there's two homes there. There's one there, and you can see that there's a home there on the bottom left, and there's one on the top middle. We'll take a better view on this side of the island. We'll just turn her around. Let's back up here and do the reveal. Tilt our gimbal down. And there's also a boat port. So I'm assuming that's how they get to their home. And that's probably the boat launch across the way there, and I'm sure that they park their boat there and get on the mainland. And these homes on this particular island, they're quite small. The ones I saw earlier were more substantial. They're a lot larger, and perhaps the islands themselves were larger as well. I think we're gonna do like a point of interest here, just to get some nice footage on this little island. Yeah, let's do that. Let's go into our QuickShots. So that's what we're looking for. So yeah, we're gonna do a circle. Let's select the island, and let's click on the start button. Now we got enough battery to do that. Here we go. Okay, so we're back, and I did see a little lighthouse out there as well. I think we'll go take a closer look at that little lighthouse. Yeah, let's drop some altitude. Yeah, that's a interesting looking little lighthouse. Never seen one like this before. Looks totally automated. We'll do a manual circle around it. Let's see if I can get it going smoothly. And there's something right next to it. It looks like there's a bird on top of it as well. It's like I don't know why they have that there. It kind of threw me off with my circle. I just have to be careful not to, hit it sideways. So we'll just readjust and maybe take a wider approach. And it is almost golden hour. You can see that the sun is we're pointing right to the sun at this moment. And yeah, there is a bird up there, and he's watching. Don't worry, birdie, we're not gonna crash into you. Okay, let's go see what else is happening here. There's a speedboat. And there's the island we came from. I see there's a Canadian flag. Let's take a closer look. We'll try not to be, disturbing the occupants of this island, so we'll stay on this side of the island and take a closer look. It looks like a big giant rock, if you ask me, but they've built on top of it. Interesting. Okay, so let's head out a little bit. I see that there's a little fishing boat there. Yeah, indeed, there's like 3 fishermen on that. I can't say it's a boat. It looks like a raft with a motor. Never seen anything like it. But then again, I haven't been fishing very much. Maybe in my younger days. Let's take maybe a semicircle around them or something like that. I don't want to get too close to disturb them, really. You have to be aware of people's privacy and, But I tell you, the Mini 4 Pro, I'm sure they won't, hear it coming or even spot it. And they're fishing away. Let's select that. Oh, well, that's a bummer. We're out of battery, so we'll let it come home. Yeah, it's a really beautiful place here, a beautiful location to, do your summer activities. And here we are. then, you know, there was this lady that just came up to me and started talking, and she kind of, you know, I had to tell her, hey, I'm busy flying a drone. She came out with this camera from, I don't know, some area in the bushes here, and I don't see a car that she came from, where she came from. So thank you for joining me, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Please consider subscribing and clicking on the like and maybe the notification bell if you want to see more content like this. I'll see you on the next one.